There are normally two kinds of systems. There can be more, but most people have one of these two, which is a gas system, which consists of an outdoor condensing unit, an indoor evaporator coil, and a furnace. Then there's a heat pump system, which consists of the condenser and an indoor air handler. Now these pieces, properly installed, along with some other smaller pieces, is what heats and cools your house and makes you comfortable. The indoor equipment is what heats and moves the air through your home. Depending on what kind of system you have, whether a gas heat or a heat pump system, you have one of these indoor products, probably a single stage unit, which comes on at full capacity whenever you turn on your system. So they are less efficient and less comfortable. Due to higher utility costs, customers are now demanding more efficient systems and also better comfort. Trane has the latest indoor air products with the modulating variable speed gas furnace and the variable speed Hyperion air handler. Let's take a look at each of them.
What is the ultimate secret behind Trane's modulating furnaces? It's Trane's unique, patented technology that constantly adjusts the modulating gas valve. While other furnaces turn on and off like light switches, our fully modulating valve operates more like a dimmer switch, controlling gas flow with precision at all times. The result? A high-efficiency furnace that provides better comfort, tighter temperature control, and quieter operation while eliminating temperature swings. Our modulating furnaces offer a unique communicating feature that increases reliability and ensures your system always runs at peak performance. The innovative, quiet variable speed fan dehumidifies in the summer for cooler air, providing you with exceptional year-round comfort worthy of the Trane name. At Trane, we're committed to building reliable products unlike anything you've ever imagined. And with our Hyperion air handler, that tradition continues. It starts with our innovative cabinet design. Unlike conventional air handlers, the Hyperion cabinet is engineered so that no loose insulation fibers enter the air your family breathes. Our fully enclosed insulation provides enhanced quality and durability while you enjoy cleaner indoor air. The Hyperion also offers our revolutionary all-aluminum coil that remains resilient for years, an electronic expansion valve that's 400% more reliable than a standard expansion valve, and the quiet comfort of the exclusive Vortica blower. From the expert engineers who designed your Hyperion to the knowledgeable dealer who installs it, you'll know that Trane is dedicated to quality and comfort every step of the way.
All of our systems come with a new thermostat. The variable speed systems come with the Nexia thermostat. The single stage systems come with the Honeywell thermostat. Both types have Wi-Fi capability and an app you can download to your smartphone or laptop to remotely operate them, and both have the Z-Wave technology, which allows you to automate your home through the thermostat for an additional monthly fee if you desire.